to Experimental Bros, and today we have a microwave,
some Snickers,
and a plate,
and our plate,
and a gel,
and this little cute one. He's going in the microwave.
Watch this.
That's our experiment.
Everyone watching? I didn't catch it.
Skills, right? Everyone watching this? Oh, what a goal!
Right, okay.
You probably didn't see where that gone.
Yeah, this kid can't.
I'm back again.
He can't film properly.
No, I can't. Deal with it.
Plate.
Right.
Snickers. This is an experiment. You can.
Okay, prop in the cam.
This is an experiment.
Okay, right.
You can try it at home.
Yeah, always try this at home.
Always. No, don't always try it.
Yeah, don't always try it. Try it once.
First, you want permission. And say that YouTubers did it and it's safe.
Yeah.
One.
Right, we've got our two things. Keep them on each side of the plate.
Right here. This is mine. This is Finley's. It's really bright outside.
And for the record,
It's actually that bright.
mine has F
So
marked
bright.
into it.
Finley's
It's got F marked onto it. So right. How long?
Oh yeah, you're not going to see that. But you can't give any. We have done this before. I've practiced this because we know it's not going to break the microwave. Well, it didn't break mine, so it's probably not going to break yours.
Okay, so how long do I put this in for, James?
I went 30 seconds.
Right, 30 seconds later.
Oh God, you can't see it.
You sort of can. You can see them spinning about.
That was not 30 seconds.
Sorry, I have microwave difficulties. I have life problems. Oh, do you know what? For the longs.
No, because then it's not going to be edible.
I know, it's not going on the plate.
Ah,
For the longs.
this is what it's already done. Take the plate out.
That's what it's like already.
No, it's like already, and we've not done fully 30 seconds yet.
So
Now Finley's put a dog biscuit in. What the hell?
for the dance.
I'm worried that camera's
Like
going to go all over that.
Like the video if you think that was a bad idea.
Open the microwave, Finley.
Right.
Something has just happened.
Look at it.
All the caramel
Oh, that's
sinking.
stinks.
Ooh, there is a really strong smell of Snickers now.
Right, we're gonna keep going.
But there's no smell of dog biscuit.
Yeah, there's no burning dog biscuit in there, sadly. That's what I was hoping for. Why didn't I put the one in that the dogs don't eat?
Oh yeah.
I didn't think of that. I'll give it to the dog after it cools down.
Open it.
Okay, right.
So it's when. Look at that.
Look at it.
It's actually projecting heat very quickly.
Right,
when I practice this, I use one of
That's
them.
mine, that's yours.
I use one mini Snickers, which is about half the size of a normal Snicker, and we have
Dog biscuit.
a dog biscuit
That's warm.
and
Right, let's get spoons.
2 full things. Right. So now, if I can prop this here, I really hope this is filming my face. I need to crouch.
Yup, we're crouching for this.
So we've got our food. It's quite warm. That's very warm. And that's the warm dog biscuit.
Yeah, you can't see the warm dog biscuit. There's your spoon, take it!
Oh, sounds bad. Right,
Let's try that.
so you're gonna have to blow it.
I'm gonna blow it hard.
Finley blows things very hard these days. It's burning.
Hot Clive.
Oh, it is hot, isn't it?
No. Oh, that's so nice.
It's a just, but I actually personally think this is nicer than just normal Snicker.
But don't tonight, when you're watching this, say to your parents, can I go to the shop to buy some Snickers to microwave them? Don't do it.
There are 3 types of Snickers. Normal, frozen, which is the ones Finley always has. They're quite nice as well.
This is not as good quality because it came from frozen. Not
And
literally.
melted.
It was refrigerated frozen. It looks so nice, doesn't it?
Sorry about putting my hand in front of the camera. If you look at that, it looks so very appetizing, doesn't it?
Mhm.
That's still warm.
Can't believe it done that. Right, where's the dog? Misha! It's for Misha.
Oh, you bully.
Sit.
But he's not giving it to Cass.
I'm not giving it to Cass. Cass, you get him.
You absolute hardcore bully.
Cass, come on.
Oh, you bully. You sad.
Sit. 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 Nicely. Nicely. Good girl.
That's friendship goals there, isn't it, Finley?
How to become friends with dogs.
We may end the video. Yeah, we're gonna end the video here.
And give us any other recommendations for microwaving, or just any other recommendations.
Don't forget
for
to
videos.
smash that subscribe and like button.
Yep, smash those like and subscribe
And
buttons.
me and Finley are gonna finish eating this. What looks like dog puke. Good. Bye.
Thanks for